How to change text size in Cici. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize that. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this two-line icon. Simply tap on this icon. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this settings icon. Tap on settings. So now, be in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. Here, there's a section called text size. Simply tap on text size. So this is the place where you can adjust the size of the text. Here on the bottom there's a slider too, so you can adjust it accordingly. But if you have problem in your vision, here you can even enhance it. At last, tap on the save button and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.